for Memamuni Akwaba Eba Melodies TV. Kennedy Japan yet again has come out with a very, very wild allegation against the opposition NDC. Now, this is not the first time Assembly Akoso. Now, Bachecho in Semnimun answer never to us on the subscribe and click the notification bell no. And no any doubt screen to see how we understand latest news be about once I ever can. Kennedy Japan say NDC4 they are trying to destabilize the peace of this country. Their work and say the first people NDC are targeting are the EC. Now we know Kennedy Japan nankasa wo nim EC boni a wo mo aye NDC. Na EC wo mo officer bi a ye friend Bossman. Na Bossman yi NDC4 meeting bi a wo mo be ye bia Bossman yi na trese ni din edo mo ano. Na we know Kennedy Japan kra no wo nim boni a Bossman yi wo di NDC4 ebia na NDC4 boni bi a wo mo plan no eye Bossman yi e na trese boni ne ba na wabo egu boni ne ba na wabo egu nti no NDC4 meeting bia no Bossman yi edin e wo mo ano ho. Na we say NDC4 wo mo ko Afran Plains na Afran Plains ho no efuo bi e wo ho efuo ni mfimfini wo mo esi cottage na that farm actually belongs to an NDC member NDC member no when revealing the identity. Na we say efuo nim no wo mo esi cottage e wo mo a wo mo di nkondwa egugum NDC4 no be kɔ hɔ na ɛhɔ e na wo mo kɔyɛ plans no se isi yenye se yempetuombra yenye se now all because they want to destabilize the peace of this country. Now we see NDC has inner people they are working with. Wo mo nso eye adwuma ewo isi wo NDC4 ewo boys bia nipa ba akon boy bi e na wodi omonim wo no nso ye adwuma ewo isi ho nti NDC4 kra ato pick up ama boy no se won fanya se adwuma no. So with this, boy na ebe say nyama ewo inside. He's an employee at the Electoral Commission. Now NDC4 who say womo ono Kennedy Japan ne nkrofo monitor wo nti no. Pick up no womo de ekosi eye ofosuampo fofie. Na sa pick up no ye pick up a womo yo mo ade say womo to e de ache boy na wo isi ho na wo bo NDC e ma womo de destabilization no aba. Now, this is not the first time Kennedy Japan has spoken on this. Samobe Kaya, 2 months ago, Kennedy Japan on the 2 hot seat, another seat to say they have forgotten the name of the show. But yes, show now hosted by Justice Kwekwana no. Kennedy Japan got now, so I think 2 months ago, Emma Wako can same way. Now, me kai very well says that time Kennedy Japan asema wakan kan waka say Afran Plains no farm now wo mo ekoye meeting no ewo ho no the farm belongs to Fosuampofo. That was what I think. I don't know whether it was a comment that came through or Kennedy Japan actually passed that comment. But this is the second time he's actually stressing on this. Samoba Kaya Kennedy Japan ankasa asanso akan say NDC4 a training crofo asochare no okan baby sa o say Russia phobia wakofa Russia phobia wo mu training o mu enake tese eno so nsem sa enake Kennedy Japan e de betuja. And this particular thing at Kennedy Japan aken a lot of people Peace FM4 interview no also ema wakwa ema wo hwe se ne ekona. It tells you say a lot of people are believing in what Kennedy Japan is saying. Say, hey, and then the NDC4 there, one more plan say we move deep on it. NDC4 there, one more plan say just say will be and go for baby. I see the comments coming through. Go for say, hey, NDC people are wicked. Now I just want to ask myself I just want to ask Ghanaians one question. In Ghana, for the way we hold people accountable to certain things, no. Is that the same way we are going to hold Kennedy Japan accountable? It's just a genuine question I'm asking. Meaning say asem way Kennedy Japan e dia to dwai. Nanka me melodies and me baba on say beka say MPP4 training crofo wa ha MPP4 ye plan say wo mo bebu we MPP4 ye plan say bebi aye to abama NDC o meye nanka me na me kwete na bebi na me na me dey say asem ne ba ya. Nka Ghana for question ba kwa mo be bisa me dey say evidence ewe he na meboa. Is that not the question you'll be asking me? Na ke no na mo be bisa me say hey untumi mba mbekasa sa evidence ewe he. And so if you are holding me accountable in that manner, why are we not doing same to Kennedy Japan? A lot of I know say asem we make go fu be remember about here be dimatem Kennedy Japan supporters minim eya dodo na frame last Kennedy Japan supporter be frame accuse me say me made dinatem e ma me ka tell say video kra me ya me dinatem no one fan try me up to be close to over 5 months ni up to now say video no we nya fan breme minim Kennedy Japan supporters be na subscribe to channel we eya mo frame na mo keka nsem minim pa. But it's just a genuine question I'm asking. And I want that so bisa wo mu say one other frame e di matem no na nke ye wona wo kan nsem bi say ya na nke ye be ma wako sa keke ye be ma wako tra sa keke. It's just a genuine question I'm asking you. Kennedy Japan is giving big allegations. We've heard of the huge allegations at Kennedy Japan they are also to the extent say accusing a former president of killing someone, of killing a sitting MP. Some say Kennedy Japan accusing Mahama. Say Mahama ni standuk be NHH mo kum JB Dankwa. Absolutely evidence I friend evidence Kennedy Japan and fan ba bonten. But yes, this same Kennedy Japan assembly will be bia hey na nkrofo di nechi. And so I'm just asking a genuine question. Is it that Kennedy Japan per any man as our right no and as our freedom say we betumi aka bibia for obi aho ne age atum without showing evidence? And Ghana wo bia wo pese wo dey asem etu obi so no e wo say ne pa no share evidence. It's just a genuine question I'm asking. It ought to me answer me and me who say okay. And the Kennedy Japan there, ye jano, assembly of a cambia, you better say in the crack. Na me a me baby. Me so me the assembly, maybe it was some the evidence, but me boy. Nanka NDC executives be in the cocker same way for MPP one. Ye nim de obi abeka. Hey, you know what abeka you didn't show any evidence. Kennedy Japan is a legend. Say an opposition party are trying to cause war in this country. And you see, the national security will be silent on this because it is Kennedy Japan who is saying something like this. If it's in any serious country, when say asema Kennedy Japan can be to me cause war say and say NDC 4% destabilizing the peace of this country. What they will do is they will invite Kennedy Japan so he provides the evidence or information he has to them. Now a more survey assembly, but everyone is quiet on it. National Peace Council will be about a sitting MP about can say an opposition party are trying to destabilize the peace of this country. Peace Council, wama you come. Ma bibi nsima opposition ni bi enko kasana he na Peace Council for beba bonten. Hey. But all these things they are monitoring and they are quiet. This country, we are not fair. Now, posterity will judge us all. Posterity, it will judge us all. Me say me wo, in some way in America, say who to me who say media, they tell media and say, I was made to believe. And that NDC I was made to believe say no, they are worse. And so if things like this came out, I came out to insult NDC. Now and then, mitinechina me say, hey, in the NDC send Ghana for you treat your mono. Is that the same yardstick we are treating this government and its officials? Now the clear wa a yan empesi beka. Ghana has it. The clear wa Ghana ha yen. Some people go scot free when they do some things. But let other people do it, not here. Ube usebo bibe bibi. Yebe boni pakunechi. Yebe bonechi. My different person I want in the pakuno. Ewe the same space in some koye similar thing. Yen kashi. Yebe buye ni eguso se yenhuye. I'm speaking like this because Yes, obviously I'm a Ghanaian. Aside that, me person war ebesi on my way mu. If a certain MP is coming out to say nkrofo bi air planning war and now nkrofo bi planning say we destabilize the peace of this country. I don't know why the officials are ever say womo sorry e wa assembly ho no womo en sorry e wo ho. It's here for just like what Kwame A plus kind and saying was he Embra Wosano. He was made to believe say Rollins is a killer. Rollins is a kunkum nkrofo. Wono A plus wo benyi ye no hu say san sending ni na ye ntro. A ye kan ye de hye ni trimu a. Wono nso edinyi ye. Kennedy Japan saying all these things no. Me enye mass and said the work and ye ntro. Because yes, it could be say NDC for indeed one more planet. And that for some of tape ne babon no. What did I say? Make I say NDC for nja intro na wo mu channel because ye na yet voice no. Yes, for some of actually said that. Na me deal for some of who ya say because of politics no. Wo we Pentecost penny wo can say I came out to blast for some of because I believed that san send now what a bar out no e you no na kan Santro no moka say no ni nia yentro. I came out to speak like that. And so if Kennedy Japan is saying something like this, say NDC for planning, it is possible because I have heard their chairman saying this on tape. And so it is possible. But what I'm saying is provide proof. To me, I can't say when you say no, I'm holding on to the proof, and my people are still doing investigation. I'm holding on to the proof. I may release it. I don't want to release it now. If you weren't ready to release the proof, why did you talk about it? Because you talked about it because you want Ghanaians to know. And so if you release the proof, equally Ghanaians will know about it. Until then, I walk say you won't release the proof. No, now they like, no, I don't understand. Intimacy mo am supporting Kennedy Japan no Kennedy Japan is a very generous man and say nkofo be pronounce him because the way he pays the school fees of others it's a good thing. Kennedy Japan is wobia wo boan crofo e won impotem wo hwe nkrofo de omo akọ school ni nyamakra uncountable wobi sa no wo ye den yankopon hira ebeba ne so because this world has principles bia ediye adwuma utrimu aden anasa wo ye wicked say den na woye adoye ema nkrofo a it will come back to you. Wunye Kristo ni na woye adoye ema nkrofo a it will come back to you. Those are principles of this world. Obi a wotaye adoye de woye ne dan ni nhira edoso. Ni sika still edoso. That's how the world works. Inti eno de ade a Kennedy Japan ade ewo ho de bebo na baso. But some of the allegations he puts out, wild allegations, and without evidence, but still he goes scot-free. No one questions him. No one. No one actually has the balls in government to question Kennedy Japan on most of his allegations. Even the NDC Fuangasa waka asem we are form hono. They will not come out to question Kennedy Japan because no one dares question Kennedy Japan. Asem waka fa mahama hono oman eti for mon share ma comment box ni mo ai me da ase.